Alright, let's take a look at the Project Linking tab. The first thing I want to talk about here is basic project linking. Now this here is your money site. This is the site that receives all your link juice from marketing. The URLs associated with your money site was entered on step 1. So if you entered multiple URLs, the money site will be randomly chosen from one of those 3 anytime a link is built. So linking to the money site is simple. What you're going to do is click a project and drag it onto the board. So right now I'm going to drag out the social networking project and the social bookmark project. So at this point they're on the board but they're not linked. Now to link them, I'm just going to click and drag. And now they're connected. So specifically that means I'm going to click this top node and drag until the top node of the project highlights and let go. So now a social bookmarking project is linked to the social network project. And the social network project is linked to the money site. So this is basic project linking. What you just did was tell SENuke to build social network links to all the money site URLs. And once that's complete, to bookmark all those social network URLs. So at this point, if you're done, you click Next to move on to the next tab, which is going to be the Module Specific Settings tab. The diagram editor actually has a lot more options than just basic project linking. Let's talk about chaining. When you chain a project, it connects both projects together so that one project runs directly after the other. In an unchained diagram, one project runs after the other is complete. In the second to last tab, which is the Universal Settings tab here, you're going to choose how many days you want to spread the entire submission over. Let's say you choose to spread the submission over 7 days. On days 1 to 4, SENuke is going to build social network links to the money site. On days 4 to 7, SENuke is going to social bookmark the social network URLs. But what if you wanted to schedule it so that each day after social networking is complete, it would bookmark the newly created social network URLs for that day? So how would you do that? That's where chaining comes in. Chain projects are connected in tandem. Chain projects run one after the other every day over the course of the submission. The lower chain project performs an action on the URLs from the above project every single time that the above project runs. So let me show you how to set up a chain. To set up a chain, you click an arrow, you right click, hit connection type, chain, and then the arrow head indicating it's now a chain. So what's happening here is the social network is dropping links to the money site, and then immediately after, the social bookmark drops links to the social network URLs. So if the social network project takes 7 days to complete, every day over that 7-day period, the social bookmark will run immediately after the social network project. So what's happening? The social network drops links to the money site, and then immediately after, the social bookmark drops links to the social network URLs. If the social network project takes 7 days to complete, every day over that 7-day period, the social bookmark will run immediately after the social network project. Let's look at another chain example. I'm going to drag a couple social bookmark and social network projects onto the board. And now I'm going to connect them. So what's happening here? The social bookmark will run, and after it runs, the social network will run. And after it runs, the social bookmark 2 will run. And after it completes, the social network 2 will run. So all of these projects will run one after the other to completion. Now what if you want these projects to run one after the other over and over again over the course of the submission? To do that, you need to set up a chain. So to click an arrow, right click, connection type, chain. So the arrow turns red indicating it's a chain. And you'll notice that everything below the social network is also chained. So that's an automatic thing that happens. Whatever you connect below the chain will automatically be chained to the projects above it. Now what if you want to clean cookies or change proxies? To do that, I'm going to drag out the toolbox project. And I'm going to connect them. Now when I click on the toolbox project, notice this properties tool window opens up here with a couple options here. Change proxy or clean cookies and cache. So what you're going to do is check or uncheck if you want to change the proxy or clean the cookies as you go along. Now what if I want to index the links from the social bookmarks here? What you're going to do is drag out the indexer and connect it. So at this point, the indexer will index all the URLs from the social bookmark immediately after it runs. Now what if I want to chain the indexer? Click the arrow, right click, connection type, chain. So what's going to happen here is the social bookmarks is going to run once. And then every day after that, the indexer will index a portion of those links each day over and over again because the indexer is chained to the social bookmarks. Those links will be indexed over and over again over the course of the submission, whether it's 7 days, 2 weeks, etc. So this way, the indexer is indexing a portion of those URL links a little at a time over the course of the entire submission. Also, another note about the indexer actually has a max number of URLs that you could submit for indexing each day. So if you go over the daily indexing limit, these links will be automatically pushed back so that they are indexed the following day. What if you want to build links to the social bookmark URLs? This is actually going to improve the search engine rankings of the URLs produced from the social bookmark. You can actually use any module to build links to the social bookmark URLs, but for this example, I'm going to build forum profile links for the social bookmark URLs. So let's drag the forum profile project onto the board and connect it. So what's happening here? The social bookmark is going to drop links to the money site. And then all those URLs will be saved. And then the forum profiles will drop the social bookmark URLs in the forums. Now let's talk about some features you can find in the project linking tab here. You can zoom in and zoom out by clicking the slider here or by using the mouse wheel. You can also move projects around after they're linked. The pan feature allows you to move the entire project left or right, which of course is the same as sliding the project up and down with these sliders here. The quick link feature allows you to easily link multiple projects without having to drag and link. So I can drag out 2 social bookmarks to the board here. And you click the quick link button and click the first project you want to link and click the second project you want to link. And you can see there that they're linked. And then from there you click the third project you want to link. So now I have 2 social bookmarks connected to each other, which are connected to the money site. So that's the project linking tab.